So about 4.5 years ago, this experiment called ACity University College started in this quiet valley in Hacho, Accra. We arrived here with 45 students and a skeleton staff. 45 students, anxious students with their parents, wondering whether this experiment called Academic-City is trying a hand at. The only noises here then were construction workers and churches. There were no toilet facilities, the rooms were hardly ready, with very limited faculty. We took up this challenge of building a unique institution that will serve the next generation of Africans. Academic-City is an embodiment of a vision of one man who worked and thrived on this continent for over 30 years. And what a better way to give back than to establish an institution that will continuously churn out the next generation of Africans. So the whole spirit of Academic-City is to be at the forefront of how technology and entrepreneurship plays out in the 21st century. We've taken the bold step of establishing AI and robotics engineering, as well as biomedical. And the real essence of these courses are the research opportunities and entrepreneurship opportunities that play out at the interfaces of these programs. We've positioned ourselves as a STEM institution with a strong focus on entrepreneurship, arming the next generation of Africans to go out there and help redirect, at minimum, the narrative for this beautiful continent of ours. So how are we doing so far, you will ask? Well, I'm glad to report that 2 of our students got into Goldman Sachs this year. Our first graduating class has a candidate with Goldman Sachs. Our students have built some remarkable projects for their senior design projects. We were the only institution in Ghana that actually stepped up at the peak of COVID to build a ventilator. Our students are working on next-gen entrepreneurship ventures, mechanical wheelchairs into electronic wheelchairs. So the future is bright for an institution that has only been around for the last 4.5 years. Our achievements have been remarkable. Our vision is still clear. The ethos of that vision hasn't changed. We want to be able to produce the next generations of leaders that can solve complex problems, that are dynamic, that are entrepreneurial, and that are determined to make an impact in the societies that we live in. So as I look towards the future, I'm not only looking at new physical facilities, but I'm looking at dynamic programs in emerging areas such as cybersecurity, data analytics, robotics engineering, industrial and systems engineering. These are the determinants of where nations are going to be as COVID rewrites what the world economy is going to be in the next decade. So come August 17th, 2022, I would like to invite you to participate in our inauguration process here on campus and online. Our Vice President, His Excellency Muhammadu Bawumia, has graciously accepted to grace this occasion. Also in attendance will be the world-renowned guru, Sri Sri Shankaravi. On this special day that we celebrate the establishment of this institution, I would like you all to join us to celebrate not just Academic-City, but to celebrate its role in our national development and its contributions to the continent as we evolve and continue to develop to become a world-class institution in this part of the world. Thank you.